Your ads suck, and I'm gonna show you how to make them better. Alright, you're gonna go on Canva, you're gonna sign up for Canva, alright? Well, why is it not letting me? What? I'm not a robot? Oh my god. I've been exposed. I've been exposed. Okay, dude. Seriously though? Just let me in. What the? There you go. Alright, just skip this shit, type canva.com again. Click on use custom dimensions on the top right over here. Okay? Then you're gonna type 800 by 800 pixels and design. It's gonna say PX, okay? Please, like, come on. Alright, let's make our ad then. So let's look up a product real quick. Alright, this ring looks really best selling. Alright, then we're gonna take this ring. Alright guys, so take the best picture you can find on AliExpress, okay? And let's look at it. All these images have a lot of Chinese shit drawn on it, so we're just gonna take this image. So what you can do is you can just use your snipping tool. We're gonna go on upload, just drag the image from your desktop all the way to here. Boom, there we go, we have our ring. I'm just uploading now, just click it, boom, stretch it out. Let's just, there you go. It's a little bit less pixels, so we can make it this. I heard that a lot of people screw up, okay? So instead of just making it full, you can just keep it until here, okay? And now you can do some magic by using some elements and shapes. And we're gonna surround the corner by black. So this is gonna make it look a lot better. Don't just copy the exact frame and everything. I'm gonna do is just showing you guys how to make a professional looking ad. Okay, so you can just make this go all the way up here and all the way down here. Easy, right? Easy. Boom, you have the perfect looking ad, right? Nah, no, that's not it. We're gonna say over here, we're gonna drag the text and we're gonna write free ring, and we're gonna say Arlen Heavy or and white. It triggers me. Everybody uses Arlen Heavy. Don't use Arlen Heavy. Use this one. Why not? Right? Free ring, just pay shipping. Right? This is gonna be up here. Okay. Then we're gonna do another little bit. So to make this more professional, we can either make like a half an image, and we can put like 4 images over here. I'm just giving you guys some ideas. Or you can just stretch it out all the way over here. And if it's a story, you want to write at the near bottom, you want to say swipe up. Like this. It's going to be white. Easy. Swipe up. Really good ad. Or if you want to make it even better, you just want them to like buy all the way. Then just make it like, let's see. 24 hours only. Now compare this with your little Johnny's ads. Guys, seriously, it doesn't even take a long time to get these ads set, right? I just picked a random product and it's already looking like a good ad because it has some good background. It has a really high quality image, some high quality text along with this nice little font, and this is like a different font and stuff. You can even add more stuff like adding like a little bit of a dollar sign or something next to it. But yeah, this is how you really make a good ad. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys found some value in this. And yeah, basically I've not been able to upload too much because I've been too busy working on the course. There's just too much being added to it. But yeah, just drop in some value straight to the point, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of